Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Sometimes I feel like I'm really in a battle when it comes to applying my eyeliner. Thanks to using this awesome eyeliner from Boom Beauty, I really feel like it's become so much easier to apply and I don't have to feel like I'm a cosmetology major. The eyeliner is made with really nice pigmented colors. The application of it is so easy. It glides on very, very easily. But again, I don't have to feel like I'm doing it super perfect and I can't make a mistake because it's really easy to correct. The eyeliners are easy to sharpen and I feel like you really get a lot with each sharpening. So I've actually been working with the original amount the whole time and I'm finding that it really lasts a long time. This color comes through so well and I don't feel like it is so overly dark or so overly kind of waxy looking that it comes through as way too young for what I want my makeup to look like. If you're looking for a really easy to use eyeliner that really allows you to make the shape, make the depth, make the color that you want, definitely check these out. You will be really impressed. But that's just my point of view.